Good morning, y'all. All right. Looking at the charts on the 1 hour, as you know, at 8:30 we had news. We had the core inflation rate month over month and year over year at 8:30. And it looks like it rose a little bit, which is why you see the market reacting this way. So the algorithms kind of pushed price down. I believe we're still in a market maker buy model. This could just be a sell-off to take liquidity. There is liquidity here that price may want to take. So I am going to be bearish for the short term, right there. There's equal lows down here as well that price may want to take, right there. All right, so looking at the 15-minute chart, price is displacing down. I believe that there's going to be a continuation down to take out these relative equal lows to rebalance this fair value gap. Maybe not rebalance, to come back into this fair value gap. If it blows through and creates an inverse fair value gap, we're definitely going to be heading towards these lows here. I don't see a reason why price wouldn't want to take out these lows, these relative equal lows. So I am bearish today. Definitely bearish today. Let's look at the indicators real quick. All right, so on the 15-minute chart, what did London do? London took out Asia high. Price is coming down. Took out Asia low, previous day's lows. Price took out London low before New York open, midnight price. So you know what? We might see price come back to this high and this high later. But I do expect price to come down and take out these lows first. Right there. There's relative equal lows right here. There's relative equal lows right here. So until price takes this out, I don't see price coming back up to data highs. So we're just going to sit tight. We're going to see what price does. If there is an entry to go short, then we will go short to take out those lows. But I'm expecting price to take out those lows and then come back up. If price comes up and takes out those data highs, then I think price may come back down. But you know what? We're just going to see. Yeah, I think my ultimate target will be 561. So that's going to be another 90-point drop before we can see price move up to the upside. That's just my prediction. We'll see what happens. We're going to sit tight, and then when a trade opportunity comes up, we will take it. Just a reminder, we are trading this plan. As you all know, yesterday we did about 154, so we're about negative 700 in drawdown in week 2, right? So this is good. Our target added equity is 240 per week, and we're already at 154. So this may create a great buffer for us through the rest of the week going into next week. All right, market has opened. Took out London low as expected. I'm expecting price to take out these lows right here. We will see what happens. I think these lows are protected, so I'm only going to take a loss up to there. And then the target will be midnight open, or maybe even data highs. We'll take it to data highs. Alright, so that's my position there. The reason why I entered this is because I saw this as a change in the state of delivery. So we'll see how this pans out, as well as this divergence right here, this bullish divergence that was forming. So if I jump the gun, then I jump the gun. If I get stopped out, then it is what it is. So far the trade is looking okay. Let's see what the R&R is on this, the risk to reward. So I'm taking a 24 handle stop loss, 96 ticks. That's a 9R position. So we'll see how this pans out. Alright, giving you all an update on the position. I moved my stop loss up. So this is going to be a risk-free trade now. I did take some heat here, but it's very minimal. And this one micro contract thing is working out for me pretty well with my trading psychology. I'm not getting nervous when it gets close to, you know, my entry or even my stop loss. So this has been really good for me. But right now, currently with this position, my account is now in drawdown of $552. If you remember a couple days ago, it was at $855. My weekly profit goal is $240 a week, just trading one micro, and this position and yesterday's win has already surpassed that. I mean, if I close out my position now, but I am looking to take this all the way up to data highs, so we're gonna see how this goes. Alright, y'all, after that trailing stop loss, I decided that I was done, one and done. Today I did $243.16 on one micro contract. I was in that position for 1 hour and 18 minutes, and I was able to come out on top. So this is my dashboard, my trade summary. Commissions and fees were $1.34, and this is my execution here. Or this is my trade, actually, just one trade. I am testing out TradeZella as an online trading journal. I will be posting my journal entries on YouTube as well in the community section, but this is going to be more of a cumulative overview. So right now my account is in drawdown of $457.68. Today's the 13th. I took one trade for $243. Yesterday I took two trades for $154. This is where I am now. Again, my goal is to do $240 for the week, which I have already done. So everything else is a bonus. For the rest of the day, I'm not sure what price will do. I don't want to find out, so I'm going to step away from the computer before I start over trading and wanting to short this thing down to relative equal lows down here. Yeah, it's just not a good idea to continue to watch the charts because I am definitely going to have FOMO, and I'm trying to get my trading psychology in check. Just like I mentioned earlier, I wanted to take one mini up because, you know, that's just FOMO. It's just the way that our brain works. I could have made this, I could have made that, but I'm so glad that I stuck to my trade plan and that I didn't make any rash decisions. So before I start making rash decisions, I need to step away. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please like, please leave comments. Let me know how you did. I read all of them. I try to respond to every single one of your comments. And subscribe if you want to join me on my journey. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.